Link your credit cards to CIMB Clicks for quick and convenient online banking, where you get to check your statements, schedule payments, and change your PIN. Best of all, it's real simple. First, log on to CIMB Clicks. Select the Services menu from the main menu. Click on Link Account and select Credit Card. Now, key in your 16-digit credit card number. Select the applicable CIMB Clicks username and hit Submit. Check the credit card details, request for your TAC, enter it, and click Confirm. And just like that, your new card will be linked to your CIMB Clicks dashboard within 3 to 5 business days. Now, enjoy banking online.